Cheryls. We'll show you what we did this week in our class. So we did our basic to the leaders left, ladies right. Basic, 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Gentlemen turn forward, changing hands behind their back. 5, change hands 6, 7, lift that right up, 8. Turn the lady, 1, 2, step backward 3, tap 4. That's a prep for a turn. We're changing sides with our turns. Stepping forward, 5, 6, 7, hair comb on the 8. That left hand makes that pizza hand over the lady's head. You're gonna drop and catch it quickly. So ladies, just let that hand slide and offer it back. Hammer lock with this right hand. Turn 1, 2, 3, behind the gentleman's head on the floor. We're gonna walk in a circle. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Gentlemen hook the right, turn right. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Basic and you're done. But that's everything for this week, guys. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class.